Hello everyone, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one, I'm talking about how to use Steam Remote Play on Android TV devices. So you just need to turn on your host PC and then launch Steam. Then guys, just go ahead and open a tab and open up settings and navigate at the bottom here to this Remote Play tab. And make sure that your host PC and your Android TV device are logged into the exact same local network mesh, highly optimized using a wire Ethernet connection or a clear 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. And then guys, open up the Google Play Store and in the search, type in Steam Link. And of course, make sure to install it on your device. Then put your controller into pairing mode, open your Android TV's Bluetooth system settings panel and pair it directly to your TV hardware. You can open the Steam Link app on the TV. It will run an automated local network scan and display your host computer name on screen. Then click your PC name node to generate a unique 4-digit authorization PIN. Walk back to your PC, type this PIN in the pop-up window prompt and let the network benchmark test pass. That's how you set it up guys, pretty simple. Enjoy as always and don't forget to like and subscribe.